All right, so I thought I would show you how to do a share a cart. So you can see my screen right here. I'm going to just open up a new tab and I am going to be looking at this website right here, shareacart.teambeachbody.com. When I hit return, it's going to prompt me to be able to enter my information. This is the same username, email, and password that is for my Beachbody coaching account and ordering account and everything like that. So it's all the same as Beachbody On Demand. It uses all the same login information. So I'm going to push sign in. And here it's asking me, do I want to do a new enrollment or order or to view my status? So if I'm doing a new one, I'm going to press a new enrollment and order and type in the information for my person, the email here. Once I do that, it's going to look it up and it's saying, hey, I actually already recognize that this is a person within the system. If it doesn't, it will prompt you to actually enter in this information. So I'm using an old email address of mine, but it has been in the system previously, so it's showing that. So now I have the chance to either choose whether I am signing them up as a customer or as a coach. And let's say I'm making myself a coach. So I'm going to press coach and say, yes, I do have permission to enter this person's information. Now, what I do when I'm pressing that continue is that now here I am to be able to choose whatever it is that I'm wanting this person for the order to be. So let's say we're doing a challenge pack. And let's say we're going to be doing Beachbody On Demand and including with a Shakeology. So annual Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology Challenge Pack. So it's just showing me and I can confirm that this is all correct and how much it will be for this person. And then I could change my flavor. I'm going to select the flavor that I would want to have. So we're going to say it's a single flavor. And my favorite is the tropical strawberry vegan, or one of my favorites. So we'll say that we want that. And I want it in the bag. I could also choose if I want it in the single serving packets, but to save money, you can do that with the bag. And then I'm just going to order one of those and press select and continue. So it's added this to the cart. So here it gives me all the information. Right now, just so happens there's a special going on that you can add Shakeology for free, a box of pumpkin spice. That was not always going on, but that happens to be the special right now, right? And so then, and it's going to include the digital business starter kit at no cost because they are signing up with a challenge pack. If they were just wanting to sign up and as a coach and not use the challenge pack, what you would have shopped for is actually the business, and that digital business starter kit would cost $40. But this is showing me, and I can easily change anything in here that I want, but when I'm ready, I can just press send email and it will send the email to be able to do that. When it sends the email, it's going to tell me that it's sent, okay? And then also, it's going to reaffirm what the order is, and you can copy a shareable link. So not only is it being emailed directly to them through Beachbody, but then I could copy the shareable link and then I could text it to the person or send it in Facebook Messenger or whatever I'm doing to communicate with them. So that kind of shows you how to actually do the order. And if you have any questions, let me know.